Hey, so I have received a Fabfitfun box from my girlfriend Emily. She had sent it to me for free. So we're going to unbox this baby. If I had a hammer, I actually do have a hammer. Okay, so let's open this. Helps if I had scissors. Okay, done. Now, let's move everything out of the way. Ooh, how cute is this? I like it. All right, let's get comfy. So here it is in all its glory. I've actually not subscribed or had any type of boxes since Birchbox first came out. So it has a little mag, some little coupons, and oh, this is so pretty. It's wrapped up in paper. And let's take a look what we have here. So we have little hair ties. I've always seen these, but never tried them out. We also have looks like a purple clay mask, exfoliating foot mask for the feet. So we've got some type of jewelry in here. I'm assuming it's a bracelet of some sort, maybe. Oh no, it's not. It's a necklace, I think. Oh, how pretty. This is very cute. Now, I don't really wear any other necklaces except for the one I'm wearing now. However, I guess I could switch it up from time to time. I'm really impressed. Everything is full size. Full sized. So, here we have African Botanical Hand Cream. I'm all about the hand cream. I sure am. Wow, it's very bright. Well, there we go. Yeah. My hands are always super dry. Ooh, Kula makeup setting spray. I don't usually use a setting spray considering I don't wear a ton of makeup anyways. It's always good to have. Spray all day rose spray. It is a facial hydrating spray. This is some type of something. Let's find out, shall we? Not sure what this is. What are you? You are oh, I'm covering my face. It is a robe. I thought kimono for a second there. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, see. Oh, this is super cute. Is there any strap? Oh, strap is in the front. I'm very confused by this. There must be a trick to wearing it. Maybe wrap it? Maybe you wrap it. I think this is a very weird place to put these ties. I'm not quite sure. Maybe you tie it here? I don't know. Mama's confused. I mean, if this is a robe, you're like, hey, my belly's still hanging out. I'm not sure. We'll have to play with that. Okay. All right, let's sit back down. What else do we have? We've got a tote. Very cute. It's a, looks navy and cream color tote. Anything else in this box? No. Interesting. This is very cute. Thanks, Em. I appreciate you looking out for me. These are kind of cute. I'm interested in trying some of these things out. So, yeah, my first little unboxing, huh? Very exciting. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.